Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today I'm going to show you how to create really simple designs that would look ideal on a table. So if you were having a party, then this is a good way to go. Now these containers that I've got are basically you get a set of them from Ikea, and they're just a simple cylinder vase. There's lots of vases like this around, and they're just a really good practical vase to have in your cupboard. You can use them for plants, you can use them for flowers, you could put like a big bouquet in here. So they're just useful vases to have. So what I want to do is really my inspiration for today is some beautiful sunflowers. And aren't these gorgeous? I just think the sunflower is so nice. So we're going to make very simple arrangements using these sunflowers. So the first thing I want to do is just put something into the bottom of our container. That just kind of finishes it off. I don't know about you guys, but the older I get, the clumsier I get. It's terrible. It's quite shocking. It's quite worrying. So there we go. We've got our containers now look organised, as in they're not just like whatever they're sitting on that you're actually seeing. And the next thing we need to do is add some water. Now it's interesting with certain products, like certain stones or whatever, if you add water, sometimes they just disappear. So you need to just kind of check that. These are quite nice because they've got different colours in them, which I think is quite cute. And we've got options. You could do lots of options. Basically what I want to do is I want to just float the flower into the actual dish. So what we're going to do is we're just going to drop it down and float it like that. Now, so you could have that really, really plain, but we can also add some grasses or some other decorative element just to the edge of our container, just to stop it looking so plain. I think it's not a problem for something to look as plain. It's just going to give you a different look. So we've got our low one with our grass, we've got this one, and actually I think what we'll do is we will add a little bit of grass to this as well. This is just miscanthus, but you could use beargrass or steelgrass, flexigrass. There's lots of different types of grass now which are available. This one's a little bit stronger. Yeah, not liking that. Not liking that bit anyway. Let's try it with a different one. The problem with this grass actually is this straight bit, where it's a bit stronger. I don't really want this to be jumping out of the vase. I think the best trick is for us just to put this in first, then add our flower. And we can have it on the angle. So there we go. We've got two really simple arrangements. All you need to do now, if you can find a cloth, is just clean up your vases and place them on the table. So I can imagine like a line of these going down a table can look really, really sweet. You could add little vases with some other little flowers. So like this is just like a little marguerite. You could pop one or two marguerite flowers into there. Depends on your vase. If they're going to just create a little highlight, then why not? And actually the marguerite just stops it looking quite so quite so plain. I think what we'll do is we'll just pop one in here as well. And there we go. We've got two very simple table arrangements. You could do combinations of this, you could do a run of these, or you could really, depends on the size of your table, just have one or two. This could be placed on a mirror as well with some other little votives. So you could really combine it to suit whatever occasion you want to have it for. So I hope you've enjoyed today's very quick, simple video. We've got new videos every week and we'd love you to join us for our next design. So until then, take care. If you haven't subscribed, click here to subscribe and we hope to see you soon.